This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you about how to install Kali Nethunter in Termux without rooting your Android device, with graphical user interface. Help of Kali Nethunter, you can access all Kali Linux tools in your Android device. Like this video, and if you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so you will notified whenever I upload new video. First, go to website store.nethunter.com and download Kali Nethunter App Store. After downloading application, install it in your device. First, you need to download Termux app, so open Kali Nethunter App Store and search for Termux and install it. Size of Termux app is around 68 MB. Then search for KEX, and install Nethunter KEX VNC Viewer app in your device. This app will help you to get graphical user interface of Kali Nethunter in your Android device. After that, open Termux app and type command pkg up-y, for update Termux packages. Then follow my commands for install Nethunter in Termux. You can also get this commands from app link given in description or visit kali.org website. After that, run installation setup by typing command./install-nethunter-termux. Nethunter installation process will be started. This process free download and install Kali Nethunter, from which has size around 1.4 gigabytes. Make sure you have connected Wi-Fi or you have enough mobile data to download Nethunter. It will take time in download and extraction, around half to 1 hour, depends on your device. I am fast forwarding download process. Don't close or minimize Termux during download and extraction process, otherwise you will get an error. Kali Nethunter successfully installed in your Termux. First, you need to set up password for your Kali Nethunter by command Nethunter kex password. Then set your password by entering it 2 times. I am using Professor as password. You can access Kali Nethunter terminal in your Termux by typing command Nethunter or nh. You can exit Nethunter terminal by typing exit command. Now we're going to access graphical user interface of Nethunter in KEX VNC viewer. For that we have to start KEX session by command Nethunter KEX and. After that you will get our FB port number, copy that port number 5901 and open Nethunter KEX app. Enter port number that you have copied earlier. Then enter Nethunter password that we have set. In my case password is Professor. Then tap on connect button, and you will get graphical user interface of Nethunter, which is same like Kali Linux. You can find so many tools in this Kali Nethunter, like information gathering, password and Wi-Fi cracking, exploitation tools and many more. You can also access root terminal by command sudo su, then it will ask for sudo password for root access, default password for that is Kali. You can stop Nethunter KEX session by typing command Nethunter KEX stop. If you like the video, do comment, like and subscribe. If you are getting error, tell me in the comments section. Thank you.